What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP. Hey, it's summertime and the weather is beautiful. As you can see, I'm sitting back in my oasis chilling. But you know what? I want to talk basketball shorts today. Alright, now I know I made a video a while ago where I showed you guys how I use an FM Expressions heat transfer and I put them on some basketball shorts. I'm going to show you guys an update of how those basketball shorts currently look to this day. But in the meantime, me taking some of this fresh air and this sun, and we're going to get into basketball shorts right after my intro. Alright, y'all, so a year ago I made these shorts, and as y'all can see, they cracked in the seam, and that transfer is pretty much a wreck. The back too cracked in the seam, everything's peeling. Now when I first made them, I liked them. Nice little mesh basketball short, cool. But as you can see, the transfer didn't hold up. Alright, so going across the seam, if you're gonna use a transfer, it may not hold up, and after a year or so, it might start looking like that. All right, it's all cracked and beat down looking. But the image on the bottom held up a little bit because there's no seam, but you still see like a little wear on it. All right, now that was a FM Expression transfer. So then I tried another pair with a super color transfer. All right, it held up. The super color transfer held up a lot better than the FM transfer, but you could still see going across the seam, where it cracked. All right, so as far as transfers on basketball shorts going across the seam, in the long run, I don't really think it's a good idea. All right, but that's through trial and error. I didn't know when I first created these two pair of shorts. Now, I love basketball shorts, but I suck at basketball. All right, but that's here nor there. But I always wanted to create a pair of my own, that I can sell and and that everybody loved. Now, I never sold these two designs. I only kept them for myself. Now, years ago, I bought a pair of NBA authentic basketball shorts. All right, now when I say years ago, I'm talking about years ago. These are real old, by Champion. You see the wear and tear on these bad boys. Authentic NBA logo, thick waistband, 76ers. This is a embroidery patch on the front. All right, as you see, it's sewn on and it's starting to lift. You guys can see that. Now, I bought these basketball shorts. Goodness gracious, I probably was in high school at the time. All right, and I enjoyed them. I did a lot in these shorts. I even I swam in these shorts. I mean, you see all the wear and tear on them, and the dyes and the stitching are starting to fade. But I've always liked the quality. I love the thickness of the band, and always wanted to emulate that. And I think I got something, man. I think I got something. I'm gonna show y'all in a few. Now, as far as cut and sew, I went with this one particular manufacturer years ago, and I tried to create my own style of basketball short, and I wasn't pleased with this outcome. As you can see, embroidered "We Made Your" logo on the left leg, but it didn't have any pockets or anything. I like my shorts with pockets. All right, the material was okay, But even like the craftsmanship, I thought the stitching was like a little sloppy. I see that? A little sloppy to me. Now, being that I got in the patch game, and you know, with NBA shorts, the majority of the time they either go with a twill logo across the front, or they do sublimation. It depends, you know, throughout the years, you know, and the team, they switch up. Now, I finally found a blank pair of basketball shorts that I love. And I threw some of my patches on them and they came out phenomenal. All right, we got your back pocket here, side pockets nice and deep, thick waistband, even got the metal aglets on the string, so I don't even have to put the metal aglets on. Nice taper bottom, everything stitched up real nice. You got your red and your white stripe material. The polyester material is real nice. All right, so what I did was I took a couple of my my patches and I took them to my tailor, and this is how they came out. So here are the samples. I went with the white colorway. I went with the classic We Major chennile patch on the front that everybody loves. Yo, these joints came out so fire, y'all. So fire. Got the white version. I got 4 different colorways here. Got the white with the black and red stripes at the bottom to go with that logo. Official. Yo, these joints is fire. I'm gonna do an on body at the end of the video too. So that's one pair. Here's the royal pair of the blank that I showed you guys earlier with that Frosty on that joint. You see the Frosty on that joint? Yo, these is so official. They came out so good. I'm proud. I'm happy. Everything came out beautiful. Taylor did his thing. All right. That's the royal colorway. Then I'm so happy I had these patches. Then I went with the unfamous joint on the navy blue. The navy blue colorway with the unfamous twill patch on the front going across with the white and the red band and on the bottom. Yo, these joints is fire. Alright, so that's the 3rd colorway. Now we got the black colorway, y'all, with that Frosty on there. That black colorway so hard, man. These joints is so hard. Yo, we about to kill them this summer, family. We about to kill them. Alright. So these are the samples. I'm definitely gonna be throwing these up on the website. The funny thing is, you know, I found this supplier, I found this wholesaler because I was actually in Manhattan. I was looking for hats. I wasn't even looking for basketball shorts. You know what I'm saying? So I found those and I ran up in there. When I saw him, you know, I saw the quantity that he had, so I pretty much bought out his entire stock, everything he had left. So we're gonna be selling these all summer, baby. All summer, because I got a lot. And the reason why I wanted to go this route was because, you know, cut and sew, by the time you get a sample made and by the time you get your bulk ordering, you know, you might miss like half the summer. So I didn't want to go that route and miss, you know, opportunity to get the people what they want, to get the people what they need, and to actually make some bread. So here we go. I'm gonna be selling these joints. They're gonna be up on the website. All right, so that's it for this one, y'all. Make sure you guys, because I'm about to enjoy this weather, make sure you guys always hit that thumbs up. Make sure you tell your mama about me. Make sure you like, comment, leave your comments down below if you're feeling these joints, and just let me know what y'all think, man. all the blanks came in. All the blanks came in, you know, plastic baggies like that. So everything, you know, pretty official tissue. Now, I don't know how long this particular wholesaler been selling these shorts or what have you, but I mean, I did my due diligence and I pretty much bought them out. So it's gonna be a good summer, y'all. Hey, till next time, get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.